Hello everyone, I am Neelanjan Maiti and I hail from Kharagpur, West Bengal, and I currently am a superstars subscriber of MoneyWorks4me. Even though I had a basic knowledge of investing and all, since I had a day job, so I was not able to devote that time. So one of my mentors actually recommended MoneyWorks4me and I did not regret it. I immediately subscribed to their pro plan, and since they were so insightful, I immediately switched up to the superstars plan. I had a talk with analysts and they were able to clear all my doubts and whatever questions I threw at them. They were extremely humble and they exactly knew what they were doing. I also asked them about the various methods and all the inside things, and they were not hesitant to give it away. At the end of the day, I would suggest anyone who want to start their investment journey to start and subscribe to the plans of MoneyWorks4me. It has been an excellent journey so far. Thank you so much.